Today, I'm going to show you how to whip up a super quick and delicious microwave mug cake that'll satisfy those sudden sweet cravings. Let's get right to it. First, grab your favorite large microwave-safe mug because we're going to mix everything right in there. Less washing up, right? Start by adding 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour into your mug. Next, throw in 2 tablespoons of sugar to sweeten things up. We're also going to need 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. This will give our mug cake that irresistible chocolatey goodness. Now, for the wet ingredients. Crack an egg into the mug. Yeah, right on top of your dry mix. Then, pour in 3 tablespoons of milk and 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. This will make our cake super moist. And don't forget a splash of vanilla extract for that lovely aroma and flavor. Mix everything together until you have a smooth batter. Make sure there are no lumps. Got a few extra chocolate chips or a pinch of instant coffee? Throw them in to take your mug cake to the next level. Once you're happy with your batter, pop the mug into the microwave and set it for about 90 seconds on high. This could vary a bit depending on your microwave, so keep an eye on it. You'll know it's done when the cake rises up and looks set. Carefully remove the mug from the microwave. Remember, it's going to be hot. Let it cool for a minute or two. And there you go. A perfect fluffy chocolate mug cake ready to be devoured. Top it off with some whipped cream or a scoop of ice cream if you're feeling extra indulgent. Wasn't that incredibly easy? Now you can enjoy a delicious dessert at any time of the day, right from your microwave. Perfect for those lazy nights, or when you need a quick treat. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty recipes and cooking tips. See you next time!